Good morning, class. Today I will explain the chapter 7, Glimpses of India. Glimpses means brief sight of India. This chapter is divided into three parts: a baker from Goa, Kurg, and tea from Assam. And today I will discuss the first part, a baker from Goa. This is a pen portrait of a traditional Goan village baker. This chapter is a pen portrait. Portrait means picture, pen means written. This chapter is about the description of the Goan village baker, and this picture has been expressed before readers by writing picture. Here the picture is being shown by means of the words, who still has an important place in his society. It means baker who has a very great place in Goan village. Our elders are often heard reminiscing. Here the writer is talking, our older people often means frequently, are heard remembering. Reminiscing means remembering, nostalgically means crazily, about those good old Portuguese days. Here the writer wants to tell all of us that our elders often remember very crazily about the good old Portuguese days, when Portuguese used to live in Goan village. Our elders remembers those good old days, and they remember it very crazily, very madly, very enthusiastically. The Portuguese and their famous loaves of bread. They remember two things about olden time. First, the Portuguese, and second, Portuguese who had brought with them the loaves of bread. Loaves means pieces of bread. They introduced the Goan village with a new dish. That new dish was known as the famous loaves of bread. Those eaters of loaves might have vanished, but makers are still there. Those eaters of loaves, eaters means खाने वाले, the people who used to eat the pieces of loaves, pieces of bread, might have vanished. Vanished means they have disappeared. They are not now in Goa, but the makers are still there. But the people who used to make loaves of bread, they are still in Goa. Here eaters means writer is talking about the Portuguese people. Now the Portuguese people had left the Goan village, they had gone to their country, but makers of the loaves of bread, they are still living in Goa. We still have amongst us the mixers, molders, and those who bake the loaves. Here writer is introducing that in Goan village there are machines which are used to make loaves of bread. The machines are mixers, in which we put flour and water that mix them, molders that give shape to the loaves of bread, and those who bake the loaves of bread. And another persons are the bakers who bakes the loaves of bread. They are also present in Goa. Those age-old, time-tested furnaces still exist. The writer want to tell that in Goan village, the very old furnaces means hearth, bhatti, is still exist. It means are still found. Exist means found. The fire in the furnaces has not yet been extinguished. The writer is introducing to the readers that there are many furnaces in Goan village and the fire is not extinguished. Fire is not put out from the furnaces which are in Goan village. It means the fire is burning. It means the profession of making loaves of bread, the business of making loaves of bread is still continued in Goa. It is not completely stopped. The thud and jingle. Thud means sound of bamboo. Jingle means sound of bells. Thud and jingles of the traditional baker's bamboo. Third, the baker who used to sell the loaves of bread in the Goan village, he had a bamboo. Bamboo means log of wood in his hand when he used to go to Goan village to sell his loaves of bread. So he had a traditional bamboo, and in that bamboo some bells were also tied. And when he put that bamboo on the ground with force, then jingling and thud sound used to come out. This sound that comes out from bamboo, from the bells which were tied in the bamboo, heralding means announcing his arrival to the morning, in the morning. It means whenever in the morning he used to enter in the Goan village, the sound, jingling sound and third sound used to announce that now the baker is entering. In older time, baker is known as Pader. Pader is entering in the Goan village. Can still be heard in some places. Here the writer want to introduce that still, even now, there are some Goan villages where Pader means baker. Baker comes to sell his loaves of bread. Maybe the father is not alive, but the son still carries on the family procession. Here the writer is telling all of us that the fathers have become very old. It may be that they are dead, but the sons of their fathers still carries out the business of making loaves of bread. These bakers are even now, even today, known as Pader in Goa. The baker, one who makes loaves of bread, one who sells loaves of bread. In Goa they are known as Pader. Who are Pader? Pader are the people who used to sell loaves of bread, who used to involve in the making business of loaves of bread in Goa.